I'm going to be showing you how to expand the borders of a cropped photo with AI. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So Canvas Magic Expand uses AI to extend the edges of your photo, making it larger without manually editing the background. So let's get right into it. So you just need to create a new design or open an existing one. And you just need to upload your photo and add to Canvas. And once you upload it, once you do so, you just need to edit the photo. You just need to find the options, and you just need to search for AI editing tools where you find the expand button. So you just need to search for it, and once you find Magic Expand, you just need to choose how much you want to expand the image and just tap on generate or expand and wait a few seconds with Canvas AI to create new content around edges of your photo. And you can just review the generated versions and select the one you like best. So that's all you need to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.